Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. Yummy. I love a good guacamole or avocado dip. Every year for my birthday, I do a major birthday bash, barbecue, and I make all sorts of good food and treats and desserts and things of that nature. And I always do an avocado dip or a guacamole. And so my sister requested that I do this on my show. Hi, Kara. So this one is for her, and it's very easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, to start, when I make this, I usually don't measure everything out. I usually just add the ingredients together, and it always turns out pretty awesome. That's what's really neat about guacamole. And there's a lot of different variations for guacamole. Some people like to add tomatoes, some people don't. Some people like to add some sour cream, some people don't. So there's a lot of variations. There's not only one way to make guacamole or avocado dip. Okay, so these are the basic ingredients that I'm going to use. We need to cut up our avocados, and I have 4 medium avocados here, and they're really soft. So they're really ripe. And I'm just going to cut down the middle, twist the top, take out the pit, and I'm going to save these pits because what you can do to help your guacamole stay greener, if you put the pits inside with the avocado dip, it really helps, which is kind of fun. All right, so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it. I'm not going to go all the way through the skin and just do these little lines in here. And then I'll just go back this way. Really basic, and you can cut them up however you want. There's not only one way to cut up an avocado either. Take my bowl, just go in here and scoop it out, okay? Nice avocado, yeah. Love me avocado. Okay, so that's pretty much what you do. I'm gonna do that with the rest of the avocado. All right, once we have our avocado all nice and cut up, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add in my diced onion, minced onion, and that's about a half of a medium-sized onion. Okay, I'm gonna add in my salt. This is 1 teaspoon of salt, but like I said, I usually don't measure, I just throw it in there, and then if I need more, you add more salt. There you go, pepper, this is 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Some people don't even add pepper. This is a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Again, some people don't add garlic powder or garlic salt. I love garlic flavor, so I'm adding it. And then my cilantro. This is about 3 tablespoons of minced cilantro. You can use more or less if you want. Okay, let's go ahead and mix this together a little bit. All right, about that much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 lime, and again, you can use 1 or 2 limes. I usually just use about 1 lime. I'm gonna use my handy dandy little juicer, citrus juicer here. Love this thing. So I don't have to use my hands. Boom. Isn't that awesome? I did a review video on this juicer. You can find it here on my channel. The lime juice is gonna give it flavor as well as help the avocado from turning brown. And that is basically it. Let's go ahead and just mix this all together. Okay, and then normally I'll also come in here with a fork. Dive in there. Now you can leave it as chunky as you want. Like sometimes I'll leave it just like this, nice and chunky. And other times I'll just go in there and make it more smooth. All right, well there you go. That's how I make my guacamole or avocado dip. All right, the guacamole is done. Turned out fantastic. Really simple to do, easy ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mm. Mm-mm-mm.